Tumerudi tena na tumerudi kwa sasa na uhondo kuhusiana na Muigai wa Njoroge na mkewe wa kwanza Njeri wa Muigai, ambaye majuzi ndio wamekuwa the topic of discussion kupitia kila kurasa za mitandao ya kijamii haswa katika eneo la Mlima Kenya. Wakati Njeri alipata kuongea pale katika redio ya Kameme FM, wengi walitarajia kwamba there is bad blood between the two of them, na nikana kwamba hakutokuwa na maongezi mazuri haswa ikija kwa this couple ambayo wakiwa pamoja walifanya mengi pamoja na kuweza kuburudisha kwa pamoja. But life happens and things happen. So right now kitu ambacho kimewaacha Wakenya wengi mostly wakiwa shocked pale kwenye ukurasa pale kwenye mtandao wa kijamii haswa wa Facebook is that few hours ago Muigai wa Njoroge posted on his Facebook page talking about his own new song going by the name Mawega, and he talked about the progress the song has made on YouTube. Muigai wrote a script saying that God has done great things towards the song and now it is number 7 on trending on YouTube. Muigai went ahead to say that they will post challenges on TikTok. Upon seeing the post, Njeri Rwa Muigai reacted and wrote a comment saying that Muigai's song has made her the happiest person, and she went on to say congratulations to Muigai, which has left a lot of people talking, and mostly the naysayers saying things in regards to Njeri's comment on Muigai wa Njoroge's post. Kumbuka, Muigai wa Njoroge hapo jana, mostly his second wife, that is Queen Stacy, made it clear kwamba you have attacked Muigai for so long, you have attacked Muigai apart from knowing the full story in regards to what led to Muigai and Njeri's separation. Akasema now it's time for Muigai wa Njoroge to address the nation and keep the naysayers away from his family because this has been too much. Now, many were expecting Muigai wa Njoroge either to drop the video in regards to the explanation on what happened between him and Njeri, but Njeri seems to be countering that by saying this: nie rukenetye makiria, congratulations. Muigai said nakega yorea wikiraga Rwimbo riri niekirite ruru rwitu na turi number 7 on trending YouTube. Keep the support coming. Tuna post challenge za TikTok. Now, Rwimbo Rwa Muigai Rwa Mawega, it is number 7 trending song. Now wimbo, it's a true story of Muigai wa Njoroge's life, aswa akiongelea yale ambayo aliyapitia kabla ya yeye kuwafikia kuwa the Muigai wa Njoroge that we know today. Now, people reaction to Njeri's comment, like Liz Degwa says, Jacinta Mwangi anasema tura we murathime Njeri wa Muigai. Faith Mburu anamwambia kabisa Njeri. Esther Karaja akauga ni rwega muno. Now, people are saying that this is a move by Njeri to counter Muigai is part of the story in regards to what led to the breakup of the both of them. Kumbuka, after Njeri made the post clear, aliendelea mbele na after Njeri made it clear through Kameme FM after an interview with none other than Muthoni wa Kirumba, alisema hivi: Shia mushieti shomo, you don't need to know the whole story on what led to me and Muigai's separation, but we tried the best we could, but things didn't work out the way many expected they would. Na mnajua sio nyinyi ambao mpo katika haya mahusiano, it's me who is in the relationship, and I know many will be disappointed by the fact that we are not together. But things happen and shit happens. That's what's up for now. Make sure una subscribe ndani ya FM Show KE. See you in the next video as we keep you updated on the current trends around the Mount Kenya region.